Mamaya na, yung iba. Isa na lang, mamaya ulit. Ano ba kukunin mo dyan? Para saan yan? Ito yung order. Wow! Ayun po! Video to. Kung hey, Panchoy! Happy New Year! Kasama ko. Okay. Video. Yung cappuccino na. Masarap. Kakaiba. Yes. Wow. Spinach. Special na spinach. Ito spinach pizza. Tapos ito baked specialty nila. Seafood. Seafoods kami ngayon. So yummy. Be healthy. Nakakasawa na kasi ang beef chicken. Ang cute nito. Masarap guys. Let's see. At umpisahan natin maglakad guys. Punta na tayo sa East Coast Precinct. Doon sa my Little Dubai na Hong Kong. And after that we will going to walk along the harbor. Going to the Glass Bridge. So pa North Point na yun guys. So mahaba-habang lakaran ito. Exercise na rin. Anyway, let's enjoy the day. Dito na tayo. East Coast Precinct. It's too cloudy. Wow. Ano nang balikan to guys? Lakad. Hanggang makarating dun sa may destination namin. Good weather. Oh, ang galing naman. May dagat dito. Tapos, wow. Kasi ganito ka high-tech guys. O tingnan nyo, dagat dito. Tapos building. Dito, dagat din. Dagat din, dagat. Imagine that. Yeah. Ganito yung ano dapat bridge ang lalaki. Mga poste. Grabe. Kalalaking poste. Yeah, may upuan din. Kagandahan guys. Pwede kang umupo sa ito. Galing kami doon. Malaking 10 minutes to walk. And this is the view. Oh no. Yan ang top. There's a ferry. guys. Nagay lang nila actual ito. It's a car park. That's it. That's the view. O, pwede ka ding mag-ano dito. Exercise if you want to exercise, you want to bike for kids. Nice spot. And you can see the whole inside. But grabe talaga. Ang lalaki ng poste. So, sa feel mo safe ka talaga dito guys. Very safe. Ah, malapit na yung goal natin. Ah?
Diyan, baka dito maganda.
Kaya nga, ang ganda dyan oh. Yan na guys, kalsada. And then pag you can see that building from here. Road na, national road na yun. And then that's the East Coast. Oh, hey, Pachay decoration. That's it. Ito yun. Done. Ayan. Dami. Daming mga ano. That's the view, guys. Ang Gumamela.
嗰邊就可以行到太古城。
Gumamela flowers. Video. Ganda.
而家即係黃貴，院又開咗咯。
Ah, such cutie. Cute naman ito. Ayan o. Kasi, boss. Kasi, ano. Yan, pwede ka magtambay. Tambay. Lakad-lakad. Pwede kang kumain. That's the view, guys. And there's a ferry. If lakaran ang gusto nyo for long walk exercise, then this is for you. Pero kung tamad kayo guys maglakad, then it's not suitable for you. Ah, that's Wan Chai Ferry. Ah, no, it's North Point. Correction, North Point Ferry Pier. That's it. More and more people, so it's getting crowded, guys. Oh, there's a bus.